Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream with a machine. First, ensure your machine's freezer bowl is completely frozen, typically requiring 12 to 24 hours. Next, gather all your ingredients including heavy cream, milk, sugar, and flavorings. Preparing your base correctly is crucial for a smooth, delicious outcome. We'll then move on to the churning process and finally, how to store your delightful creation. For a fantastic ice cream, start with quality ingredients like 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of whole milk. Combine these with about 3/4 of a cup of sugar and your chosen flavoring such as vanilla extract. Gently heat this mixture on the stovetop, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves. Do not boil. Once combined, chill the base in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to ensure it's very cold. Now it's time for the fun part, churning. Make sure your ice cream machine is properly assembled with its fully frozen bowl. Pour your thoroughly chilled ice cream base into the machine. Turn on the machine and let it churn for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. The exact time depends on your machine and recipe. You'll know it's ready when it reaches a soft serve consistency, significantly thicker than when you started. After churning, your ice cream will be soft, like a delicious soft serve. To achieve a firmer texture, transfer it to an airtight container. Press a piece of plastic wrapped directly onto the surface of the ice cream to minimize air exposure and prevent ice crystals from forming. Place the container in your freezer for at least 2 to 4 hours to allow it to harden completely. Your homemade treat is best enjoyed within 1 to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.